Hey there guys, it's Pickle over here with you, and today it's a new video. No, not a new video. I haven't done a video in a long time, so I decided to do it today. The problem is I don't know what game I want to play, so I'm just gonna look at my friends if they're playing anything. Nope. Following. Followers. King Duck. Okay. Is anyone in here that is playing a game? Nobody's playing here? That's weird. Okay, so we're gonna try to find a game that looks cool. Like a fun looking game. Should we just do an adventure game? Actually, let's do this. So we're doing, oh, it's the event. That's nice. So if you ever heard of The Maze Runner, it's a movie. It's a game of this, and it's pretty interesting. I played it once, and I got pretty far. So that's what we're doing today in this video. We're going to try to get through this maze and win a prize, because you get a prize at the end. I've never done it though, so it's going to be fun. Okay, so it's just loading. I hate when it loads, I hate when it loads, I hate when it loads. And my puppy's here ready. And I just had a hockey tournament, and that was fun. Oh, okay, good, because I got scared for a second. Okay, let's start this game. What time is it? It's 4:53. It's going to be 4:54 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh, that's loud. That's pretty loud. Intro? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Welcome. Mazes come in all shapes and sizes. They can be made of corn, mirrors, or hedges. They can take you down winding paths, crooked turns, and twisting trails that lead to dead ends, or if you're lucky, a way out. But the one thing they all have in common is the feeling of excitement, uncertainty, and urgent need to escape. Will you be able to overcome the labyrinth that await? I have no clue. Team up with your friends and complete the mission below to earn exclusive virtual prizes on Roblox. Okay. That's what I'm going to be doing today, everyone. We're going into the... Oh, it's closed. Of course it is. So... Oh, that's weird. So, last time, I'm going to talk with this guy. Hello, Pickle. What do you want? Oh, you don't have the monster. Oh, that sucks. Okay, we want it to be gay right now. You know why? Because I'm gonna go say in my chat who's coming in the maze with me. That's good. That'll prove. Oh yeah, I also have this friend, so every video we're gonna say hi to Oreo. Hello, Oreo. So, ooh, that sounds interesting. Hello there, Pick Lover. I really need some help. Sure, what is it? I lost my friend in the maze. We were looking for an ancient temple. The temple holds great treasure. Tell me more. If you find my friend, he can tell you more about this temple. Where do I start? I honestly have no idea where he could be now. Go through any of the 4 gates and you'll find him eventually. Alright, thanks. Thank you so much. Okay. Guys, it's gonna be an exciting adventure today. We are gonna go in the maze to find his friend and to complete the treasure. He said at least 4 gates, so we have to find 4 gates and get through it, just like the Maze Runner. It's gonna be an adventure because there's some bad stuff in there that can kill you, that are waiting upon you. That's what's scary. So that's why we have 1 torch, well, 2 torches, spear, and I have emerald ore, sapphire ore, strong legs, and anything else? No. So that is what we're going to be doing today in this video. We are going to be trying to find his friend and escape this place. Let's go right into it. Okay, so the only way to get through this is I'm pretty sure it has to be day by the time you have to get through this. So guys, I'm making a part 2 of this. So I'm just telling you about that because it's gonna take pretty long to finish this. Especially because it's a big maze and no way, is that a way? It's a big maze and it's pretty hard to get through, I'm guessing. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be an adventure, I should say. Excitement involved. It looks pretty scary. Whoa, I've never experienced this before. Wait, how do we get back up? So, this is gonna be a scary game, like I said. I hope you guys enjoy once I go on my adventure that's awaiting. And, if you do, no, I lost them. My torches are gone. If you have a fun time, please comment below and say what was your favorite part of this video. And please leave a like and subscribe. It's not over yet, because I usually say that. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna try, we have to get out of here, but I ran out of my torches. Oh wait, no. Nope, I ran out of my first torch. So it's gonna be a thrilling game. I hope you enjoy. Let's do this. Okay. Starting out, it's not day yet. That's not fun. So guys, I'm just gonna wait here for a second. I'm gonna just gonna wait here, okay? So just stay there for a second and I'm coming right back. I'm back, everyone. Okay. So, apparently about this thing, the videos end at 15 minutes. Right now we're at 7 minutes. So we might do a part 4 on this. Okay, it takes pretty long, I'm guessing. How big this maze is. But if I remember correctly, there's a little place down here that shows the image of the maze. So, we're gonna try to find it. If it's here. Okay guys, so it's not here apparently. That's a bummer. But, we could try. Fine. The way out of this. I mean M&M's right now. So good. Actually, comment down below what is your favorite candy. And I'll try to respond with you, back to you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome to the adventure of the Maze Runner. Okay, I'm very scared right now. I'm gonna straight. Got that feeling. Oreo's with me, so that's good. He will protect me. I have a friend with me. That's also awesome. And we can go on our adventure to get out of this place. Okay. Go this way. I heard this game's very fun, so hopefully it is. For some reason, I just like going straight. And like, if I was ever in a real maze, I would never go straight. I would probably go the other way. But I have that feeling to go straight. This is very scary, actually. I'm not prepared to go in here. What's this? Whoa! It's very dark in here though. It's scary music too. I'm scared. Hello? Nope. Wow, this looks pretty hard. Around here somewhere? Can I go out this way? I feel like I'm just going the wrong way. I'm just like circling. Please don't say there's a dead end. Oh, good. If there's like a dead end though, I would be so mad. I can't even turn back. I don't even know where to go from here. This is very nerve-wracking. Did you just hear that? I know I heard that. I'm just going like straight to like see if there's like anything that, like if I can get out or anything. You gotta be kidding me. I never want to be alone. I hate being alone. Oh no. Wait, what? There's a tree here. That's pretty cool. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm trying to get out of this maze. Riley scared me. No. Oh, no way. Did I find a way out? Please say I did. Please say I did. This is so hard. I hate going in dark places because this is not. I hate going, like, it's so dark out and, like, it's scary because you don't know what's gonna be there. And you just have that. If I hit this. That was weird. I feel like I'm getting closer to the bad thing. Ah, so hard. Go over here. Hey, oh, that's weird. It's red. What will I find? Did I follow the red? Yes, I do. I'll go straight. How do I get out of this maze? Oh, it's so boring. I thought I saw a light for a second. I might like see somebody like coming around the corner. That'd be awesome. Why is it red? It's like magma. Almost. Well, now I just feel like I'm going the wrong way. Where am I going? That's a good question, James. I do not know where I'm going. Oh my gosh, so hard. Am I back at this thing again? No, I must, Where am I? I'm stuck. I'm swear to God, I'm stuck. Oh, this is so frustrating right now. That's like the only way to go. No, I'm not gonna go there, because I already went there. Dramatic music means there's gonna be something coming. Well guys, that's gotta be the end of my video today. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and please subscribe. I will